This is okay. All right, I'm all paid for parking. I'm on my way to day 2 of 2 at the 2024 Ken Shannon Invitational. I have my schedule printed out. So the first running event I'm interested in, there was the heptathlon men's 60-meter hurdles at 10 a.m. I'm aiming for 10:45. Start time of the women's 1 mile run. There's 4 heats and then 4 heats of the men's 1 mile run. The other events I might witness: 400-meter dash and 800-meter run. And this is actually a sweet and/or savory eats. Morning snack, Clif Bar. All right, it's gonna be a walking, talking, and eating. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Okay, they're in my pocket. It's going good. I already paid for parking. This is lot E1. E18 is closer, but requires a University of Washington permit, which I don't have. So this is my morning snack, crunchy peanut butter Clif Bar. I was gonna film it in my car, and then I was like, I don't really have time for that. So I want to use the restrooms, which are actually in Husky Stadium, or that complex, and the ticket booth is by the softball fields. So I'm actually on campus at the University of Washington. This is the athletics section, which the day rate of $7.55 is actually really good, but you have to leave your car in the lot, because if you exit then you get to pay again. So there's a catch. Now if one wants to be here for like 20 minutes, that's a lot, but which I've done for walking and talking back in July 2023. Now this is, I think, the third one of these I've done. Sweet and/or savory eats with the Adams State University runner. Pass. Warm-ups. I'm entering people zone, so I guess we should finish this quickly. Although we're all walking in the same direction. Oh no, here comes a group from Husky Ballpark by the baseball fields. So maybe Danette decides to attend these and move away and goes to Burger Master and stuff. Maybe Grandma Connie and Jake Stick, my sister's husband, get into it on who can make the best original recipe energy bars. Grandma Connie sending her stuff with Danette, and Jake sending his stuff with Lindsay as she goes for the world record in the 50-yard freestyle short course, 50-meter freestyle short course, and 50-meter freestyle long course, 2 in each. The 6 world record trifecta. 2 times trifecta. More people in uniforms, runners, jogging, running, jogging. We've already seen Husky Ballpark in one of my walking and talkings. There's again. And this is a soccer field. There's an outdoor track and field. And there's an intramural activities building. Soccer stadium. I'm supposed to finish this. I hear the runners. I am Tanis Leonhardi. This is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. I am Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. This is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi. And today is Saturday, February 2024. It's a nice day. It's a very Seattle day. And there's Husky Stadium. Seating capacity of over 10,000 people. was enrolled at / attended the University of Washington 2010 to 2012. I came down this way for exercise there. We actually had rugby practice on these fields one time. Tackle practice is here and over there. Weights and sprints and conditioning. Not strength and conditioning, sprints are there. But yeah. 42 out of 10.